Well, hey, everybody, this is Robert, and welcome to Outbreak News TV. And on today's news brief, we're going to take a look at dengue in Brazil again. This is an important update because the situation is evolving quite rapidly in Brazil concerning dengue fever. So we're going to look at some new numbers. And today I want to go ahead and start with the death toll due to dengue because it hit a threshold. It topped the 1,000 case mark on April 3rd. And this is the latest from Friday, April 5th, from the Ministry of Health. Through April 5, a total death count has amounted to 1,078 total confirmed fatalities. Now, throughout the whole year last year, uh, Brazil saw 1,179 dengue fatalities. So that has uh, really jumped up a lot in just 3 months this year, basically. And the MOH is also reporting 2,747,643 total dengue cases since the beginning of the year. So yeah, this is um, a very, very large dengue outbreak epidemic. But there is some good news. And if we take a look at um, some new information from the Ministry of Health, the Secretary of Health and Environmental Surveillance, Ethel Maciel, said earlier this week 20 Brazilian states show a tendency toward stabilizing or decreasing in the incidence of the disease. But then again, there's another 7 states that are showing an increase in dengue. And let's take a look at these states. You can check it out for yourself. The top are the states where dengue cases are stabilizing. And the next line down are the states where cases are actually decreasing. And then on the next page, these are the 7 states that are showing an increase. Okay, so let's go back. And according to Ethel, although the scenario signals a cooling down of the disease in most of the country, caution is still needed before determining that the peak of dengue cases in the country has passed. Quote, "This is a moment that still requires attention, and we need people to continue dedicating 10 minutes against dengue fever, looking for possible mosquito outbreaks. We also need, in those municipalities where vaccines are available, that those responsible take the children to protect themselves," she said. Now, in the state of Rio de Janeiro, officials are reporting the confirmation of the first 2 cases of type 3 dengue fever in 2024. An investigation is ongoing to determine if they are indigenous. That is, did they occur within the state or are they imported? That's still ongoing. Serotype 3 has not circulated in the state of Rio de Janeiro since 2007, which increases the number of people who have never had contact with the virus. A survey from the Rio de Janeiro Health Ministry, the state health ministry there, estimated that around 4.8 million people would be vulnerable to this serotype. Quote, "This is a point of attention for us to double our care and remain on alert. As type 3 has not been circulating in the state for a long time, there is a good portion of the population more susceptible to the disease," explains Secretary of State for Health Claudia Mello. This year, the state has been recording only cases of dengue types 1 and 2, with the predominance in serotype 1. And as of Friday, April 5th, 186,642 probable cases of dengue have been reported in the state, with 91 confirmed fatalities. And that's some of the latest that's coming out of Brazil. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, and share with your friends. And I'll see you next time on Outbreak News TV.